Introducing the Mini Fortuner Toyota 2025, a bold new chapter in compact SUV innovation. Built for adventure, designed for luxury, and engineered for efficiency, the Mini Fortuner is redefining what it means to drive a compact SUV. Don't let the word "mini" fool you. This SUV packs big versatility into a compact frame. With ample cargo space and smart foldable seats, it's perfect for road trips, daily commutes, and everything in between. The 2025 Mini Fortuner combines rugged capability with modern elegance. Its aerodynamic design not only turns heads but also ensures exceptional fuel efficiency. And those sharp LED headlights, they'll light your path, no matter the destination. Step inside, and you'll discover cutting-edge technology at your fingertips. The 12-inch infotainment screen offers seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while the voice-activated commands keep your hands on the wheel and your focus on the road. Powered by a turbocharged hybrid engine, the Mini Fortuner is as efficient as it is powerful. With reduced emissions and extended mileage, this SUV is a win for both the environment and your wallet. Built for adventure, the Mini Fortuner boasts advanced all-wheel drive technology, allowing you to conquer off-road trails with confidence. From rocky terrain to snowy paths, this SUV is your ultimate travel companion. Looking for comfort? The plush leather seats, dual-zone climate control, and premium audio system create a luxurious driving experience. Whether you're exploring the city or escaping to nature, the Mini Fortuner ensures you travel in style. Safety is a priority with Toyota, and the Mini Fortuner is no exception. Equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, it includes adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and pre-collision systems to keep you and your loved ones protected on every journey. Compact, versatile, and adventurous, the Mini Fortuner Toyota 2025 is the perfect fit for urban explorers and weekend adventurers alike. It's more than just an SUV, it's a lifestyle upgrade. So, what are you waiting for? Visit your nearest Toyota dealership and experience the Mini Fortuner 2025 today. Adventure starts here.